Hello traders, today is 17th of November. We have another beautiful short trade on pound dollar. We've been short from yesterday on pound yen. Let me share with you guys how I analyze the market. Pretty straightforward, as you can see here, guys. As explained to my trader, market has broken this low, and even if you look ahead, this price action, market has broken the low and retest. So as explained, if the market is going to break this one, keep taking a pullbacks and the target around this level, which is nicely previous low, previous high. Market nicely hit to the profit target and bank amazing profit. Now let me share with you guys how I analyze the market from this downtrend. And that was the counter trade based on the 4 hours. So if you look at here, that was the first trade we have taken once the market developed consolidation at the develop a double top. As you can see here, market nicely broken based on this analysis. Pull back. We announced all these trades as soon as the price hit to the previous high, previous low, developed double bottom. As explained by trader, bank some profit. Let's wait for the market to develop another structure. As you can see here, market develop another structure. Beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit. Then after banking some profit, as soon as the price reverse, most of the trader was expecting is going to go up. I say, guys, if the market does not break, this is the low is broken. As you can see here, based on that, we're not looking at short. High probability is let the market come out from this structure, which you can see here, market nicely broken and give us amazing, beautiful trade, bank amazing profit again on pound yen. After banking some profit, as explained to my trader, not to miss any opportunity, any pullback would consider high probability trade. We have a small pullback. After this, as explained to my trader, just keep taking pullbacks. As soon as the price hit to the red fib channel, that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy amazing profit. So guys, watch all that analysis in real time. Most welcome. Join our fast growing trader community. Have a nice day.